Hi, I'm Gary Benninger and welcome back to the database class. For this next video we're going to be looking at relational algebra, and in particular we're going to focus on some of the more difficult types of operations available in relational algebra. The first one we're going to look at here is the semijoin operation. Now I assume you've read through the notes up to this point in terms of select, project, and join. I don't think they're too hard, but we'll focus on the semijoin operation in terms of how it operates. We'll also look at the outer join, the left, right, and full outer joins, and we'll be talking about the division operator in relational algebra. So without further ado, let's go into it. Okay, what I've done here is put up a little example, and let's assume we've got two tables here. The one on your left is a faculty table, the one on your right is a student table. And we see in the faculty table we have social security number and the rank of the faculty member. And so we have social security number 111, 333, and 555, and respective ranks assistant, full, and associate. Now on my right I've got social security number and we have grade point average. And we have 333, 444, 777 as a social security number, and the respective grade point average of 3.9, 3.2, 3.6. Obviously what they have in common here is the 333, and we could do a join between those two in terms of what faculty members are also students. So in a semijoin, it's like a join, except we project out only those attributes from the table that we're interested in. So we might write this as follows. Faculty semijoin with student. So we see the bar is kind of closed on the left side but open on the right side. And as I said, it's faculty semijoined with students. So it's a join, but we only project out those attributes from the faculty table. So in this case we would get as a solution social security number 333 and the rank of full professor. Okay, that's an example for faculty semijoined with students. Now let's take a look at it the other way in terms of students semijoined with faculty. So we would write this as student So let's take a look at student semijoined faculty. And we would write this to student, the bar first, and then faculty. We could actually have faculty and then student and put the bar on the other side, but this is traditional notation. So in this case, we do the same join, but now we only project out the attributes from students, in this case, which would be the 333 and the grade point average. So it looks something like this. Okay? So we still match up the same rows, but we only keep the columns from the student table in this case. Okay, so one more time. A semijoin is like a join, except the difference is we only retain those attributes from the table of interest. So in this last example we saw student, semijoined faculty, and retained only those attributes from students. Okay, let's stop here.